Learn how to create an automatic email summary report of your work in Monday.com and send it to anyone you want. In this tutorial, you will see a CRM demo, but keep in mind that insights can be used on any Monday board you have. So let's say I'm in sales and I want to see these 4 different insights. A sum value filtered by status of the items and date, a breakdown by people on the team, a list of items, and a count of items that change their status in time. Let's see how we generate this email report with insights. First, we need to open an insights view on our board. Next, we will add a new report, name it, and make sure we connect the sender email correctly. Now we'll add recipients. Notice we can choose members and guests of the board or type any email address. You can also add CC or BCC in the same way. Also, when writing the general content of the report, notice you can have rich text design. Now, when the cursor is in position, click on the blue Create Insights button. There are several aggregations to choose from: summary functions, list items, count of created items, and count of items that have changed. Let's go through all 4 insights we've seen earlier in the video to learn how to build them. First, let's see a summary function. For example, summarizing the total value of all the won deals. Choose the sum function and the column you want to sum. In order to exclude the open deals, we need to add a filter where status is 1. Now, we will move forward to the preview screen where we can check out the result of our insight, confirm it, and add it to our report. By default, the name of the insight is the recipe, but you can rename it from here, and you can also edit and duplicate existing insights. Next, let's see the breakdown functionality. We wanted to get the sum of opportunities broken down by people of the team. So we'll start with choosing the sum function. Add a filter where the group is active deals, because we want only open opportunities. And then add the breakdown and choose the people column. The third type of insight we want to see is the list functionality. This function gives us a list of items that fit the criteria we set, where each item is a link to the item in the board. So how do we build this insight? First, we'll choose the list function. Then we add the filter where the group is active deals, and then another filter where the expected close date is this month. The fourth and last functionality we'll see here is how to count changed items. This means we want to know how many items have changed in a time period. For example, all the items that changed their status to closed today. So we choose the count of changed items function, select the column of the change and the value of the change, and of course select the time period. Now that our report is ready, we'll trigger the sending of the report. In order to do so, we will go to the Integration Center, search for Email Insights, and select the recipe. We'll choose the frequency of the report and the relevant report. Notice you can have more than 1 report per board. We'll see the automation we built in the Automation Center and make sure that it is activated and ready to go. Now you too can start sending executive reports on a daily basis to your mailbox. Contact us on rnd@spotnik.com for more information.